Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Adil, and in this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can successfully achieve the lab PCA prep, update, and scale out a containerized application on a Kubernetes cluster. So stick around. In order to complete the course preparing for professional cloud architect journey, which is part of the Cloud Architect Learning Path, you need to complete 2 mandatory labs. This one is one of them, and it's a Challenger lab, which means the solution is not provided. You need to figure it out yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you step for step how to solve this lab. It's not so complicated, but you need to be familiar with some kubectl commands. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to start the lab by pressing the Start Lab button. We are asked if we are not a robot. No, we are not. And then we are going to click Open Google Console. Usually I always check if the username is the same as the lab name, or to make it 100% sure, I just copy the name and replace it. Click Next, and then copy the password. Next, I understand. No, thanks. Country is Germany. I agree to the Google Platform Terms of Services. Let's close all those new popping. Email updates, no, I don't need them. And then I click Agree and Continue. All right, so now we are in the lab project on the Google Console. So this is the first task. We are going to check what do we have in our Google storage. Bucket, Eco Web v2. It's there. Ask to deploy the first version using the gcloud command on the console. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open the Cloud Shell by clicking this button here. Click Continue. And I always like to open it on a new window. Got it. The project value in the console first, and then we can execute the command Cloud Container Cluster get credential. Looks good. And let's continue with the second command. Right. and then the third command. Okay. We are going to check the cloud storage buckets. And we need to copy. Okay, so now that we have copied the link of the file in the Google storage bucket, we want to copy it to the local storage. For that, we can use the G as util and then copy, just like this. Alright, the file is now locally. Now what we need to do is we need to extract the file with the tar command or using the tar tool. Speed set go one. Okay, perfect. So we have the Docker file and we have let's copy that. And push it to the directory with the submit command. Okay, it will take some time, but I think now this should be good. Now it's checked. It just takes some time. So the next, we need to stick to hello. Okay, edit it. Now, okay. Scale, deployment, visual web. Licans equal to scaled all right. Okay, all are checked now. Finished and lab. Submit. Cool lab. Congratulations, you have successfully achieved your lab. If you are interested in more of my cool content, consider subscribing so you don't miss on the stuff that is coming up soon. Until then, thank you very much for watching and see you soon.